Welcome everyone to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and we are going to be checking out our AirPods Max and walking you through our top favorite features. Starting off with those magnetic ear cups. Now, if you were spending this much money on a pair of headphones and something should go wrong to one of the most vulnerable parts, i.e. the ear cups, it would be terrible if they were not replaceable in some way. Apple has made it dead simple to do by making them magnetically hold into place. They come off simply and then just jump right into position when you take them off, and there is an R or an L on the ear cups as well as on the plastic molding behind the ear cups. And because they are available separately, you can even mix and match. If you so choose, you could pick out a different set of ear cups and change them with the color of AirPods Max that you've got. Our second favorite feature is the design of these headphones. The design is pretty amazing, and it is very unique from a lot of other headphones on the market. First up is basically Apple's extremely premium build quality. There's that fabric canopy across the top, an entire stainless steel frame that is amazing and is silicone coated there towards the top, with the all anodized aluminum ear cups, and of course the custom fabric ear cups as well. It is a very unique design, but I think it really pays off. These don't look like almost any other headphones on the market. They are absurdly comfortable to wear, and they feel premium all around. We are big fans of the design of the AirPods Max. One of the specific design elements that we want to call out, though, is the digital crown. Apple borrowed the digital crown from the Apple Watch and brought it here to the AirPods Max. It is situated atop the right ear cup, and you can use it to control playback, to summon Siri, and to control volume, all with that physical control. It missing the tapping mechanism, the haptic feedback of the Apple Watch, but it is still a great piece of physical design on the AirPods Max. Please do not roast me on a spit for saying this, but we have to acknowledge the fact that the smart case is one of the better features of the AirPods Max. It is not the design specifically that we love here. It is a very polarizing design. It's actually made out of one large piece of fabric, and it's folded up in using magnets to create this case for your AirPods. It's very foldable and pliable, and it really can't get damaged too easily if it's just tossed into your bag when not in use. But when your AirPods are put inside, they're cradled by that microfiber lining to keep them protected, and the case has a magnet inside that is read by a sensor on the AirPods Max to put them into an ultra low power mode when inside of the case. So whether or not you actually like Apple's design of the smart case for the AirPods Max, we are certain that more third-party manufacturers will come out their own versions of this accessory. Its smart functionality and the ability to remove a power button from the headphones themselves is very much appreciated. Number 5 on our list is active noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is kind of a no-brainer for AirPods Max. We very much assumed this feature would be coming to these headphones, and of course it did. It is very easy to control. You can do through settings, you can control it through Control Center, you can ask Siri to change your noise canceling mode for you. Now, Apple is using a bunch of microphones. There are actually microphones all over these guys. I believe there are 6 outward-facing microphones and then 2 inward-facing microphones to achieve its excellent noise cancellation abilities. Those microphones are picking up the outside noise. It's going then and creating an inverse wave to go ahead and play inside of your ear to cancel out that outward facing noise, and the microphones on the inside are listening back to that audio to make sure that it is how it should be perceived. And aside from all those previous waves, there's also a physical button on the headphones themselves to alternate between ANC on and transparency/hear-through mode. Noise cancellation was great on the AirPods Pro, and I think it's even better here on the AirPods Max. For number 6, one of my personal favorite features is spatial audio. We again first got this with the AirPods Pro, and now we have it here on the AirPods Max. On first setup, Apple gives you a little demo of what essentially the difference is between stereo audio, where you have audio coming from the left and the right, and spatial audio, where it sounds like it's coming from all around you. There's a bunch of different applications for this when watching video. So essentially you can always have that dialogue coming from in front of you. As you rotate your head, that audio stays fixed, but you also have the effect of things popping up around you, behind you, using 3D surround sound like Dolby Atmos. Things can sound like they're coming from above, from behind, wherever they are in 3D space. Powering all of the magic of the AirPods Max is Apple's H1 chip. But not just one, there are actually 2 H1 chips, one in each of the 2 cups. Each H1 audio chip has 10 audio cores inside, allowing for amazing computational audio, including adaptive EQ that adjusts the audio to your ears. It also powers things like spatial audio that we just talked about. There's also automatic switching going between all your Apple devices like your Apple Watch, iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV. The H1 is also what is enabling hear-through mode and noise cancellation, not to mention the incredible range Apple is able to achieve with its headphones. Number 8 on our list is colors. Apple has only really done white headphones in the past. I mean, AirPods and AirPods Pro both just come in white colors. But for AirPods Max, we're getting 5 color choices for you guys to choose from. We, of course, picked up our black/space gray option and sky blue, but there's also a silver in there, as well as a green color and a pink. And honestly, the pink looks a little bit on the red side, but either way, the colors are fantastic. Finally, rounding out our list is audio quality. After we saw the price point, as well as after all of Apple's advancement in audio, there was no question that the AirPods Max were going to sound incredible. And even though we've only listened to them for a short bit, they honestly sound amazing. There are very little differences between these and other high-end headphones that are around the same price point, but Apple has done an incredible job. Apple's using its own in-house designed 40mm dynamic drivers to power the audio in these guys, and we have no complaints in all of our listening thus far. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to grab a set for yourself, you can find the link down below in the description.